In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to create a brand new and fresh new Apple ID account here on your iPhone device, especially in situations where you've bought a brand new device and you simply want to set up a fresh new Apple ID. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I help you fixing tech-related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into the tutorial, in my case, I've gotten here an iPhone 16 Pro, but if you've got a different model, do not worry, the process is exactly the same. Now, first things first is hopping into settings on your phone. If you do not have any Apple ID account logged in, you'll be able to see here an option to log in or to connect an Apple ID. In my case, I already have it, so I'll show you the best way of creating an Apple ID, which is to actually create it on their website and then simply signing it in over here. Now, if you prefer to go directly from here, you can also follow the instructions in here by logging in and creating it from here. But it's all the same because at the end of the day, you need to access your email account and stuff like that. So in my case, I'll be showing you the easy way where you do not need an iPhone to create the Apple ID account. So all you need to do is first things first, hop straight into your internet browser. In my case, I'm running Safari, but if you've got Google Chrome or any other different browser, do not worry, the process is exactly the same. Now over here, we're gonna go straight into iCloud.com, right? So jump straight into iCloud.com, which is the website where we're going to create the Apple ID from. So once you're here, you'll be able to see an option to sign in. Simply tap here on sign in real quick, and then it's gonna ask you to type in your email ID or phone number, right? We do not have one, right? So we're gonna tap here down where we've got create Apple account. Simply tap on create Apple account once, and then a new form is gonna pop up in here for you to fill in with your details. Let's go real quick. I'll write my name in here. Let's go with Fixed by Shaq, which is the name of the YouTube channel. Now we've got our region in here to select. I'm gonna select, in my case, India, okay? And then we've got date of birth. Let me type in my date of birth. So once you're done typing in your date of birth, we're gonna type here your email address. This needs to be a valid email account, and this will be the actual Apple ID. Like, Apple ID is just your email. For example, if your email is fixedbyshaq@gmail.com, this will be my Apple ID account, right? My Apple ID will be my email address. This is very easy, so you do not need to forget it or make any confusion, right? So here I am, I've typed in my email address. Next up, I'm gonna type in my password, okay? So let's go with, for example, banana1234567 for example, okay? So let's go. Banana1234567 okay? This is our password, right? And then next up, we've got in here an option to insert a mobile number. We need to insert a mobile number in order to receive a verification on our device to make sure that we have a way of recovering our account in specific situations. This is very, very important. So in my case, I'm gonna type over here mobile number. Let me quickly type it in. So once this is done, we need to select a way of verifying. It can be through a text message or a phone call. I'll go with text message, tap on continue, and then we need to type in here the CAPTCHA, right? This is capital B. We've got an 86 in here with a 2 at the end, and then tap on continue, and this should start real quick. Now, we've got a verification code that has been sent to my email address, which is fixedbyshaq@gmail.com. Here we go, verify your Apple account email address. Let me quickly open this specific email, and here we go. The code is 837312. 837312. So once you're done typing it in, then you'll be able to tap on continue, and your iCloud will be verified in a few seconds. Now we need to type in the OTP code, which I've received in here, which is 419638. 419638 already typed in, and here we go. This is how easy it is to create your Apple ID account. Next up, we need to agree with the terms and conditions of Apple themselves. Make sure you read this, it's very important. In my case, I won't be reading it right now, but it's very, very important for you to check every policy that they've got in here, the terms and conditions, right? Next up, simply tap on agree. Tap on agree once again, and your Apple ID should be created in a few seconds. Here we go. We've got an email which says your Apple ID account is fixedbyshaq@gmail.com, welcome, and then simply tap on OK. Now, over here, for example, the advantage of this method is that you can create the Apple ID account without having a phone. For example, without having an iPhone. If you wish to buy an iPhone tomorrow, you can create the Apple ID account today, get it ready and all that, and tomorrow simply log in with your Apple ID account on that specific new phone, okay? So here we go. I'm on the browser. You could do this on an Android phone or on a computer as well, as long as if you head straight into iCloud.com. Over here, you can navigate, you can create notes, you can get access to all those inbuilt applications that come with your iPhone device. Okay, we've got notes, we've got in here photos, we've got in here pages. For example, you want to open up photos, you want to upload something, you want to download something, you can keep on managing, and as soon as you log in this specific iCloud account to a different Apple device, all that information will be synchronized into your phone. Okay, so this is how easy it is. And over here you can see manage Apple account. You can do a lot more. You can select your region, you can change your region, you can add your payment methods, you can start purchasing subscriptions, and do a lot more in here. So this is how easy it is to create an Apple ID account in here without even having an iPhone device. If you have any doubt or any questions, please leave down in the comment section down below so I can get back to you as soon as possible. So right now, I'm just quickly going to sign out here from my new Apple ID that I've just created in here, and you're good to go. You just need an Apple device and log in your credentials. Now, if you're trying to do it from your computer, for example, if you do not have a mobile phone and you still want to create an Apple ID or an iCloud account from your computer, the process is exactly the same. Very first thing you're going to do is simply hop into your internet browser. In my case, I've got Safari in here, and then we're heading straight into iCloud website. For example, I'm going to type here iCloud on Google, and then we've got the very first link, which is iCloud.com, which is the website that you need to hop into real quick. Here we go, I'm on iCloud.com, and the process is exactly the same. You just need to scroll down, okay, for example, tap on sign in, and then it's going to ask you to sign in with your Apple ID account. But of course, you do not have an iCloud account, right? So you'll tap here on create Apple account down here. Once you're done tapping on create Apple account, the process is exactly the same. You just need to fill up all the information in here, which is the same information that we were looking at there from our mobile device. Now, the process here is much faster because you've got a better representation of the form in here. Okay, so you can fill it up, fill everything, and then at the end, simply continue, verify your CAPTCHA, and then your one-time verification PIN so that you can get your iCloud account or Apple ID account created. Thank you for making it till the end of the video. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.